All right, yeah. So I want to talk about my ARP 556 setup, and this one I don't really talk about this much, but I kind of been doing a lot of upgrades to it. So here's my 556 12-inch ARP setup. I like to run a short mag in here. I don't know, it just fit the profile of this, and it's more compact. Like if I want to put it in the bag, I don't have a long mag sitting out. Now, yeah, I do have obviously longer mags for it, but I feel like it fits this profile very well. Um, I have optics. I just put these on here, and this for like if I want to go short range, I can. If I want to go long range, just flip that overhead, and they magnify the front of this optics. Still got my pop-up sights that's accessible. So if somehow my optics go out, batteries go out, I still have an option to have my front sights and rear sights, pop-up sights, lined up with it. So everything's good. Um, I do have, take this out, so it's clear. So I do have a sling on here. Real light, on this. Kind of got the elastic feeling. So I'm talking about for the people who don't know about these type of slings. It got the elastic feeling, so it don't feel like it's pulling you down. You just get, and it's feel good. Um, I went with my CQR grip. I don't know. I just like the way this one feel. So obviously you can have this set up a certain way on the ARP. You know what I mean? The stock grip. um, ATF bullshit. So I have put an extended charging handle on here for like if you have gloves or something, so your fingers don't slip off here. You can easily rack that up. And I have a bolt release down here that's connected to the bolt release back here. So when I close it, just press that down and it'll close the bolt. And extended mag release. Trick is, I have this customized on both ends. So if I ever had to drop it from the other end, I can, but it's by pressing that and it comes out. That was custom because it was a piece that came out past here, but I'm like, damn, I can't have that like that because this was in the way. So I had to kind of cut it down and mold it to fit like that. So when I press it, let me show y'all. It drops the mag. So this one more of a press in one, and this one is a press out. Well, they both press ins, but this one more got to do it at an angle. Let's see what else left. Oh, my lights, obviously, and I got this position exactly where I need to be, right on here. I got this here because I didn't like the way that the buffer tube back here was showing on my brace. So I just put that on there, just slap that on there to cover that. So yeah, this is my ARP 12-inch. Oh, and I got the a fat grip, a handle grip And it's kind of engraved so you can really get in there and don't have to worry about slipping. If you got sweaty hands or you sweat as much as I do, it's aggressive, you know. So, yeah. Oh, and the muzzle. Change the muzzle out. I've changed the muzzle too. And this model can shoot, well, I have, hold on. All I have to do is swap these out, and it can shoot 223, 5.56. Why the hell? Ooh, gotta check that. Anyway, let's swap this out. So, I don't have to shoot 22 LR. I just swap these out, the bolts out. So this is a 5.56 bolt, and this is a 22 LR bolt. You just pretty much snap that in there, like so. Now, it can shoot 22 LR. And as far as that go, because this don't rely on the buffer tube at all. It's got like its own spring in there. And it comes with a magazine. So, it comes with its own magazine. And swap it back out. Ugh. That's what I love about this 5.56. This is the only one I had, all besides my long rifle gun. No, they can't, because these only works with rear charger. And this, my 300 Blackout, is the only one I have that's a rear charger on the AR. So this one can only work pretty much with this 5.56. It can only work with a 5.56 or a 223 rear charger. If you got a side charger, this profile would not work with it. But so this is pretty much the only one that I have that can do that. If I want to plank and save money and not waste money at the range. So, now I can shoot 5.56 back through this. Just by changing the bolt. This is my 5.56. Or you might as well say 22 LR, because it can shoot these too. By changing the bolt. Just want to share that with the fam, you know.